stiff arteries, zero morning energy, and a physical performance crash that makes you feel 20 years older. Why does this happen to almost every man over 40? It is not just a natural part of getting older, it is a rusted blood vessel lining. And while you have probably been told that turmeric can fix it, swallowing generic yellow capsules or stirring raw powder into water does absolutely nothing. In fact, your liver instantly neutralizes and flushes out 99% of it before it ever reaches your bloodstream. But what if combining this golden spice with a common kitchen fat and a single black speck could increase its absorption by an astonishing 2,000%, forcing your blood vessels to wide open? To understand why your circulation drops as you age, you have to look at the microscopic lining inside your blood vessels called the endothelium. Think of this lining as a smooth highway. As you get older, stress and inflammation act like rust on this highway, making your blood vessels tight, stiff, and narrow. This tightness chokes off your blood flow. The primary active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is a natural rust remover. It targets this cellular inflammation directly, telling your blood vessels to relax, widen, and let blood pump freely again. But as we established, your body is incredibly bad at absorbing it on its own. To bypass your body's defenses and get this rust remover directly into your bloodstream, you must combine raw turmeric with freshly cracked black pepper and organic extra virgin coconut oil. These two added ingredients do far more than just help with absorption. They are powerful male performance boosters on their own. Black pepper contains an active compound called piperine. Normally, your liver destroys turmeric immediately. Piperine acts as a biological shield, temporarily turning off the liver enzymes that attack the spice. This increases turmeric absorption by an astonishing 2,000%. Furthermore, piperine naturally stimulates blood flow in your digestive tract, helping your body absorb nutrients faster. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it cannot dissolve in water. The healthy medium-chain fats in coconut oil bind to the curcumin, letting it bypass your liver and enter your bloodstream fully intact. Additionally, these healthy fats provide your body with an immediate source of clean energy and serve as the essential building blocks your system needs to produce testosterone. To safely unlock your stamina and open your blood vessels, you must prepare this mixture using gentle warmth. Melt 1 tablespoon of organic extra virgin coconut oil in a small pan on very low heat. Stir in half a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Keep the heat low for 60 seconds to allow the turmeric to dissolve completely into the fat. Turn off the heat, crack fresh black pepper directly into the warm oil, and stir thoroughly. Immediately transfer this warm mixture into a small glass or bowl and let it cool. Once it forms a smooth paste, simply scoop it up with a spoon and eat it directly, or stir it into a cup of warm almond milk. For the best results, take this mixture with your evening meal. Because it takes a few hours to fully circulate through your tissues, taking it at dinner ensures your blood vessels are fully relaxed and open by the time you wake up the next morning. Despite these massive benefits, millions of men consume turmeric daily and experience zero improvement in their stamina because of 2 critical mistakes. The first mistake is consuming turmeric raw or in cold liquids. Because curcumin is highly insoluble in cold water, raw powder will simply clump together in your digestive tract and pass through unabsorbed. To fully activate the molecular bonds of the spice, it requires mild, gentle warmth. The second, more dangerous mistake is buying cheap bulk turmeric powders. To save money, some low-grade manufacturers add artificial yellow dyes or lead chromate, a toxic heavy metal, to make the powder look brighter. Consuming these cheap powders introduces heavy metals into your body, which destroys the very blood vessel lining you are trying to heal. Always source organic, third-party tested turmeric. If you want to protect your health after 40, hit that subscribe button and like this video. And if you have a brother, a friend, or a partner who is struggling with their morning stamina or daytime fatigue, share this video with them right now. You might just help save their vascular health. I want to hear from you. Drop your age in the comments below and tell me if you have ever used turmeric for your health before, or if you have ever even heard of this specific mixture. Are you dealing with cold hands, morning fatigue, or sluggish workouts? Write your experience below. I am personally going through the comments to help you guys fine-tune your daily routines and answer your questions directly.